Yo, welcome back to Bobbville. Today's tutorial will be covering how to set up and use Cinema Machine. By default, this is what the main camera is set up to do in your game. Not one thing. Great, where'd our doodle man go? Good news kids, there is a very simple way to fix this. So boom, I'll show you how to implement this function here called Cinema Machine. If you're new, you probably don't already have it downloaded, so we'll go to the top, to the Window tab, and open up the Asset Manager tab. At the top of the menu, switch the registry to the Unity registry. Then scroll until you find the Cinema Machine tab, click and install from there. Once you have that installed, you'll now have access to the Cinema Machine tab in your Create menu. That's perfect. Now we can create a new 2D camera. Notice the CMV cam in the hierarchy. This object here controls everything we need just about, as far as camera controls. Here we can make the virtual camera follow our doodle man, look over at the hierarchy, and notice the Follow tab. Drag the doodle man, transform, over to that position. Make the new cam a child of the main camera, and let's see what happens. Groovy, the camera follows the player. I'll be diving into an actual level design eventually, but for now, let's do more things with the cinema camera. Click on the camera object, and let's change the color of the background. The preview camera adjusts in real time to what color we go with. You can do this much without the cinema camera, but that's dope, yo. The cinema camera is actually best tampered with while in play mode. It makes it easier to see your changes. Ah, cool. So while play mode is active, let's click on the Cinema Machine camera and open up the Body tab. Notice this cool blue square that pops up. Notice carefully how it changes with every setting. You can adjust so many things like the look ahead time, the dead zone, where the camera will not move unless the sprite moves a certain distance, and more. Experiment to your liking. Damping, soft zones, the possibilities seem endless. For now, this is good for me. Nice, a fully functional camera that required no coding. Man, we're heating up in this mug now. Stay tuned, we still have so much to cover. I have to catch you guys up to how I've gotten this far. Until next time, peace.